Hello friends, in this video I will guide you through how to fix friend requests not sending on Facebook. First, check your internet connection, if it's properly working. If not, try to connect to other Wi-Fi devices or use mobile data to see if it helps. If that doesn't work, restart your phone. Restarting may help fix the issue. Once your phone boots up, try to add any person and check if it helps. Ensure that your Facebook app is up to date by going to your Play Store or App Store, finding Facebook, and updating it if there's an update available. Open the app after updating and check if it helps. If you're temporarily blocked by Facebook, wait for the block to lift, which typically lasts from a few hours to a few days. Avoid sending more friend requests during this period. Also, check the recipient's privacy settings. If they have their settings configured to only accept friend requests from friends of friends, you won't be able to add them. If you have no mutual connections, the Add Friend button won't appear. Lastly, check your friend limit. If you've reached the Facebook standard friend limit of 5,000, you won't be able to add more friends. Thank you for watching Quick Tweak.